In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Chat from your web browser. We'll go through each step so you can start joining conversations and connecting with your contacts without a hitch. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your web browser. Whether you prefer Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, any of these will work just fine. Simply launch your browser and get ready to type in a URL. As you open it, remember that having a reliable and updated browser can enhance your experience, ensuring that everything runs smoothly without any interruptions. Next, in the address bar at the top, type in the following URL: chat.google.com. This will direct you to the Google Chat platform, a versatile tool for keeping in touch with people, collaborating on projects, and managing your communications efficiently. Hit the Enter key once you've typed it, and the browser will take you directly to the Google Chat interface. If you find yourself on a Google sign-in page, don't worry, this just means you're not already signed in. This is a common step, especially if you use multiple Google accounts or it's been a while since you last logged in. You'll need to enter your Google account email here. Imagine you're typing something like yourname@gmail.com. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid any hassle. Once you've entered your email, click the Next button. This will prompt you to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. Again, accuracy here is key. If you happen to forget your password, Google provides convenient options to help you recover it, so don't stress too much. Now, if you've opted to enhance your account security with two-step verification, you'll see a prompt to complete the verification. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone or approving the sign-in on a linked device. While it may seem like an extra step, it's an important one for protecting your account. Just follow the simple instructions provided, and you'll be one step closer to accessing Google Chat. And just like that, you're in. Welcome to Google Chat. Here, you can start a new chat, join existing conversations, and even collaborate within spaces. It's laid out intuitively, making it easy to find and reach out to your contacts. That's all it takes to get into Google Chat from your browser. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel ready to start navigating your conversations with ease. Enjoy all the features that Google Chat has to offer and stay connected effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.